Are you facing the "there's a problem connecting to your device" error on your Amazon Alexa Echo Dot? This usually happens due to Wi-Fi issues, outdated software, or connection glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this "there's a problem connecting to your device" problem on your Echo Dot. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon, select your device, tap Settings, tap Wi-Fi network, check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with the internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. Solution 2. Reset the Alexa device. Open the Amazon Alexa app, sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using an email or a phone number. After signing in to Alexa, allow all the permissions if it wants. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, you can connect your smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. Solution 3. Update the Alexa app. If you're using an Android device, then update this app from the Google Play Store. And if you're using an iPhone, then follow these steps. Go to the App Store, tap the search icon below, type Alexa, now find the Alexa app and tap on it. And if you see any updates available, then update the app. Now tap Open and see whether the problem is solved or not. So this is how you can fix this "there's a problem connecting to your device" problem on your Echo Dot. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.